Hi guys, this is Hybrid FX, and in today's video we'll be talking about how to use the Fibonacci retracement to identify trend continuation and to also catch the trend and make some profit. Yes, so as you can see on my screen, I am actually trying to catch a trend also. I'm trying to do the same, and I'm looking for a buy right at this point at the zero point 0.5 level. So how did I come about this? That is what I'm going to talk about in this video, guys. So sit up straight and let's talk about it. Now, this is the 4-hour chart on VIX 25. I actually trade derivative pairs. So this actually also works on the currency, but the level of retracement is different. The level of retracement on VIX 25 is zero point 0.5 level, either higher or a bit below the zero point 0.5 level. So now, um, first thing you need to do is to come to the 4-hour time frame. I'm actually on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see. The reason I'm on the 4-hour time frame is because the 4-hour time frame shows the chart more clearly. The chart is not vague and all. So that is why I'm choosing the 4-hour time frame instead of the 15-minute time frame or the 1-hour time frame. So um as you can see, like I said, I'm waiting for this particular level, this zero point 0.5 level to buy. Now let's backtest this, Fibonacci retracement tool and all these things that we are talking about. Let's backtest it and let's see how it works in the previous chart. So let's go back a bit far back in price. Let's go a bit far back in price. Actually, this is a downtrend, and I don't want to go too far. Do you get? I don't want to go too far. So I want us to look at how we can catch a Fibonacci, how we can catch a trend continuation on the downtrend with Fibonacci retracement tool. So let's do that, guys. So the first thing you need to do, of course, you need to get your Fib retracement tool ready. So this is my Fib retracement tool. Then you come to the eye of the chart. This is the eye of this chart. As you can see, price is from this top point. Price is looking like it wants to go bearish. So as I've seen that price has started going bearish, if you want to know why I said price has gone bearish, like its price started going bearish at that point in time, let me know in the comment section and I will do a video explaining that. So I noticed that price has gone bearish, and all I need to do, if price was at this low and I didn't know actually what was going to happen next, all I need to do after seeing a retracement, I'll just, like I've done, pick my Fibonacci retracement tool, and then on the swing eye I put my tool there, then I take it to the next swing low, and then all I do is to wait for the zero point 0.5 level. This zero point 0.5 level at this place. All I do is to wait for the zero point 0.5 level, and then I look to short. Simple as ABC. So if I was taking this trade actually at that point in time, if I was taking this trade, I would have just waited, you know, waited to see bullish confirmation. Do you understand? I mean bearish confirmation rather, meaning saying that price is going to the downside. And I'll go down to my 15 minutes, and then I looked short, see my weak rejection or my evening star or whatever. Do you get? So that is just literally it. VIX 25 or volatility, the volatility pairs are very good to grow small accounts and then make more profit, guys. So that is just how it is. So now we've done it on the downtrend. Let me do it. If I can do it one more time, let me see if I can do it to catch, if we can catch another trend, backtesting another trend and see if it actually works. This is the first time we are doing it and it has worked on the downtrend. So let's try it one more time again and see how it's going to, if it's actually going to respect that zero point 0.5 level one more time, because for something to actually work in the future we have to come back in price and try it out again to see if it actually works. So like I've done previously, I'm going to put it on the swing high and then take it back down to the swing low on the directly on the weak rejection. don't ignore the week rejection, put it on the week rejection because it's actually a price point with signifying where price has gotten to in the past. So as you can see, price went to the 0.5 level, but it didn't respect it because of course there are people at this like at the back end manipulating things, and they want to, they had to take, because they know that a lot of, sellers will be at that level trying to sell the market. A lot of sellers will be at that level trying to sell the market. What they did was that they took out some people's stop loss before start going to downside. You understand? So that is just how it is. So if I were you trading, all I need to do is to take out my, my short tool, and then look to short at that point in time. Sorry, look to short at that 0.5 level or 618 level. You understand? 0.5 or 618 level. When you see that price is approaching that place, go to your 15-minute time frame. Go to your 15-minute time frame, and then you look to short. That is it on the VIX 25, or that is it on how to catch trend using FIB level. So let me show you how I quickly used it to, how I'm actually using it to watch out for this trade that is going to happen right now on VIX 25. And this is actually an uptrend because price came down to the lowest low, and then it started going up from that level. So as you can see right now, price is buying on VIX 25. So let's catch this. Let me show you how I actually caught this trend on how I'm looking to catch this trend rather, because I want to trade this. Yeah, so as you can see, price is yet to come down to the price is retracing rather, and is yet to come down to the 0.5 level. So what I'm looking to do right here is to buy VIX 25 around this 0.5 level. If it doesn't respect the 0.5 level, I wait to catch the trend on the 618 level. So that's just it, guys. So I'm looking to buy from there, and then to the next swing high, then I place a bit tight stop loss because on my 15-minute time frame, um once I've seen weak rejection or any other thing, I don't need to place really much wide stop loss at all. My stop loss should be below the 618 level a bit, just in case of any sort of retracement or anything, any of those sorts. And then we'll be catching the pips, guys. I'm going to show you what happened next on this trade and how it played out. If you found this video informative, do well to smash that like button for me because I would appreciate, and to make me know that you find this video valuable and to make more videos just like this. Also smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next